Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the Rk61. Start now by choosing wired or Bluetooth. If using Bluetooth, make sure the battery is above 50% or plug in the USB-C cable while pairing. This avoids mid-pair drops. Press FN plus tab to toggle modes. The LED indicates wired or Bluetooth. Next, hold FN plus 1 or FN plus 2 or FN plus 3 to enter a specific pairing slot. The LED will blink rapidly. Once connected, release keys and confirm the OS shows a new keyboard device. Once paired, focus on the core. The FN layer is your gateway to missing keys and media. Press and hold FN to use home, end, page up, page down, and arrows without an external numpad. This keeps typing flow. To remap a key onboard, hold FN plus R to enter remap mode and follow LED instructions. Remapping sticks to the active profile. You can also change backlight brightness and effects with FN plus Alt plus up or down. Make sure to save the profile to the Bluetooth slot you use most. Finish by verifying the active Bluetooth slot and battery level on your device. This prevents surprise disconnects. If the layout feels off or keys misbehave, reset the keyboard by holding FN plus ESC for 5 seconds to restore defaults, then reapply your remaps. This clears most firmware hiccups. If problems persist, update firmware using the manufacturer tool on a PC, but first back up any custom mappings. One key troubleshooting tip. If Bluetooth keeps dropping, switch slots and test wired mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.